My name is Mtogozisi. My customer call me Mtoko, and I'm a bathroom specialist here at LEROY MERLIN. Anything that you can think of bathroom, you get it here. Your shower doors, cabinets, basin tabs, bathroom accessories. It's a one-stop shop. We have the most interesting concept, which is the flat pack. For the first time in South Africa, you assemble it yourself. And it's so easy to install. Very affordable, especially made for bathroom. Stretch resistant, water resistant, not waterproof, but resistant. It's called easy finishing. Customers love it. Wait, not under, but over. You've got to look after the details, man. It hasn't been easy for people of South Africa to build their dream bathroom. LEROY MERLIN has offered a solution for that, and I'm here to help them. I love my job. Who wouldn't?